The next thing to consider is adding alt text to images. So adding alt text to images in Canvas is fairly straightforward. I'll select my first image just to see if there is alternative text. So I've highlighted my first image, and then I'm going to choose the image icon on the text editor. In this case, I have alt text already that says image showing 6 different breeds of dogs. So that is not the image missing alternative text. So I'm going to cancel out of this and look for my next image. My next image is a photo at the very bottom of a baby corgi, and I'll do the same thing by selecting embed image, and my alt text field is actually blank. So this is where I need to type in photo of baby corgi with head tilted and tongue sticking out. It's important to describe images as simple and as concise as possible, but also share the important information. Let me choose update. So now I have alt text in an image, which is perfect. Students who are blind and who use screen readers do know that images exist on a page. If there is not alt text, they will have no idea what that image is of, which is really unfair and discriminatory if they don't know what the image is communicating. Now, some images are more decorative in nature, and we talked more about image descriptions in a previous workshop recording.